What's up, my brodies? It is Andrew of BDAT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I want to talk about our brand new Southside sample pack, or our Southside inspired sample pack, because Southside didn't make it, but the sample pack's inspired by him. So we have two of them, but I'm going to go through the latest one, which is AT Sizzle 2. I just need to find it in all these. Oh, here it is. And so in this sample pack, as you guys can see, there's 20 different melody compositions. And the melody compositions are BPM and key labeled and even have the MIDI. Many of which even have drums on top of them as well. So you guys can use the drums, get rid of the drums, just use the melodies, whatever you guys choose. I figured it would be best for me just to pull up some random samples. I'll play through them. If something sticks out, or if I have a really dope idea, maybe we even make a beat. So that's called Clips. X. This one's fire. I could hear like Future, Doe Boy. These are like the type of beats the type of samples, compositions I would hear them on, and that's kind of the point of this sample pack, is to get you in the space making the appropriate beats for artists like Doe Boy, Future, Young Thug, Young Scooter, all of them, like the Atlanta trap, dirty trap scene. I might just use this 808, and then I'll just do this. I want to use a Camel Crusher, but we'll... So I'm going to grab some drums out of Enviral's pack. If you guys want to hear all the samples and like the full playthrough, we have a video on our channel, which is called AT Sizzle 2 Sample Playthrough. It goes through all of them. It's kind of like how we always do. It's just like all those other videos we make for our sample playthroughs. It has a tag, or tags, and plays through all the samples. I'm going to pull up the Fractal kit. This kit's amazing. The Buster clap is insane. right now what I'm doing is just laying out some drums, getting the whole vibe and everything situated. So I'm gonna grab a kick. How's that koto point? Which koto? Boom, boom. So we'll do intro, chorus. I was like wondering where the fuck was that coming from? I wonder what So this would, you know, this could be a Southside type beat.
Beat it, IT, what up?
Or like, you know, style, I would say so.
Beat it, IT, what up? 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 Beat it, IT, what up?
Let's see. might try something. Alright. Now I need a fab. I don't know how I feel about that.
MIDI, what up? Do you guys hear like Lil Baby on this? Maybe like a Lil Baby. Here, I'm gonna save this real quick. You guys hear like Lil Baby on this in future? Maybe like a Lil Baby in future type song. But yeah, you guys could kind of. I'm gonna go ahead and label it all. Verse 1. All right. So this is a beat, and if you guys want to get melody samples, stems to this, melody and the MIDI as well, then I will put the link to this sample pack in the description of this YouTube video as well. So I'm gonna play everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.
MIDI, what up?